Hello and welcome to this video. I will show with you step by step how you can upload a design in Teespring platform. So all you have to do, go to Google, search for Teespring. This is the keyword. As you can see here, you have this option. Click on Start Design. When you click Start Design, you will see this page. From this page, choose your template you want to upload design, classic t-shirt, for example, this one, and then drag your design and upload from your computer. Click on this one. As you can see here, click add image. You can design your product through image. Click add image from, for example, this is my image, and then you can increase your size on this image. Just wait. This is my design in this case. As you can see here, required high resolution, so this one design. You can choose the color. In this case, for example, this is my color. After that, you can set up your price from here, USA or Euro. Add a text. You can add text in this one, and then click add a design here. Basically, this is how you can do to upload your design. You have style and you can launch successfully. I hope this guide helpful for you. See you soon.